What are you doing in there?
I'm walking.
What are you doing?
Walking.
You're working? What are you doing?
I gotta walk.
Are you adjusting the distributor? What is this here? What is this?
Engine.
It's an engine?
Yeah.
What is it an engine for? What is it in?
Goes and the bag.
Is it a fast engine?
Yeah.
Is it in Papa's Mustang?
Yeah.
Do you like it? Now what are you doing down there? You're fixing? Who's that?
What are you doing, baby?
Nothing nice fixing.
You fixed the car?
Wait a minute. So, this engine.
Is that where all that stuff goes?
This car.
Is that Papa's engine? Are you adjusting the carburetor now?
Careful.
I don't